Does the United States have an answer for China's new Type 055 destroyer? The United States was slow in developing replacements for the Ticonderoga-class cruisers, which were somewhat smaller than the Type 055. Existing U.S. Navy cruisers and destroyers perform an essentially similar role to the Type 055, even if the latter carries more VLS cells. And the era where each ship fought each other independently was long gone. Indeed, even during the battleship era, individual ship-to-ship comparisons were rarely played out in actual combat. The ships were bulky and had more VLS cells than the Arleigh Burke's Flight III destroyer, though the latter still outperformed the former in sensor integration and other capabilities. However, with the aging force of the Navy's cruisers, does the U.S. Navy need to think seriously about its own large cruisers? The Type 055 destroyer is a large ship, probably weighing about 13,000 tons and carrying 112 Vertical Launch System (VLS) cells, in addition to a 130 mm gun and a variety of sensors and defensive weapons. They are the largest surface combatants in the world apart from the Zumwalt-class destroyers, which are truly specialized land attack ships. Overall production remains uncertain, with a low estimate of 6 and a high estimate of 24, most likely depends on how effectively the vessel performs in planned service. The DDG-1000 class would end after 3 ships, and after all the Zumwalt did not undertake a mission similar to the Type 055. The Obama administration canceled the CG program after projected costs became excessive. In response to the failure of the DDG and CG programs, the Navy decided to restart the Arleigh Burke program, which had the added benefit of increasing ballistic missile defense capabilities. But apart from the Arleigh Burke Flight III, the U.S. Navy has no specific major combatant in its long-range plans. Currently, the FFG program dominates the U.S. Navy's procurement attention, as the shortage of littoral battleships has demonstrated the need to fill the gap between the LCS and Arleigh Burkes. But then there is little clear need for a direct analog to a particular class of Chinese ships.